Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kay. Great to see you again. I'm sorry I'm late because I was getting ready for this live stream a little bit. So I hope you're having a great day today. So today is the 8th of February 2024 and this is on Thursday, right? Thursday, yes. So looks like the markets are moving today, so I will be doing some analysis and I already see some comments. So let's check what's happening among the markets today. Oh, before that, I just finished writing the book of money management. And this is available for my communities, which are GTS and KTS Academy members. And the reason why I wrote this book is because there are so many books about strategy, like how to use indicators, how to enter trades, how to exit trades. But I don't really see many books about money management or risk management. And that's why, and I got requested to write this book from the members, and that's why I wrote it. And finally today, it's finished. So it took me, so I started to write this book last September. So it took me September, October, November, December, and January. So 6 months, half a year. So and towards the December, I got sick and I had some health issues and so the project was pending. But finally, in February, I was able to release the book. And the cover looks like this: True Technique of Money Management in Forex Trading. And subtitle is Strategy Does Not Make You Profitable. So this is actually kind of like my idea of trading after 10 years. So I got this book ready and finally finished. It's got 86 pages and it's got some of the topics like why do 90% of traders lose and reason why you are able to make profits by money management alone, and common misunderstandings I found as a pro trader, and chapter 4 basic knowledge in money management, and also chapter 5 calculations for money management, chapter 6 it is money management to evolve your strategy to the best strategy, and that's it. So yeah, finally I was able to write this book, and now I'm moving on to the next project, which is to share KTS indicator for TradingView. So yeah, there are lots of things happening on my projects in my communities. So if you're interested, please check the links below, description details, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions about my communities. So now let me switch the screen. Oh, and I'm reading the book, this one, if you know. This is another Ichimoku book I'm reading right now. This is all in Japanese, but this is giving me some nice examples. So it's been also my study these days. Okay, let me say hi to everyone and get into the analysis. Okay, hello Reza, good to see you. Thanks for joining. And Reza says, in KTS, after getting the confirmation in the large and mid time frames, we enter the trade. Based on this, how we can enter a trade for Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen retracement strategy? Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen retracement strategy is not my original, not a part of KTS, but this is original Ichimoku strategy. So how I do is that if I see trend by KTS, then if the price is going towards Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, more Kijun-sen, then I take entries towards the Kijun-sen direction. That's how I combine two strategies together. Okay, Rohan says, why I'm saying thank you to you because I have learned about your tricks in the Forex market, or I have learned how to make the right trades, or I have win because of you. Thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome. Very welcome. I'm glad to hear that, really. Yeah, all I can do is just to share my analysis, share my experience and trades, and the rest is something that you have to do. Study and practice and trace. And then I'm sure you will see the results. So nice to hear your comment. And please continue the analysis, please continue the routine, and keep the discipline. That's really important. Never get overconfident because you win a couple of times. Then you should be fine in the long term. But thank you very much for the comment. Really appreciate it. Okay, Y says, hi Kay, how to choose the right market? Today, when I checked the chart, I saw two pairs were trending. That was CAD JPY, Pound JPY. Then I took CAD JPY because, but it's not going as like as Pound JPY range. Right. So let me now switch screen to trading view and let me do analysis. So now I see 3 pairs trending at the same time, or 4 pairs actually. One is the Pound AUD. I see it's up on a daily time frame. Daily Kumo Kijun Sen bullish, which is my way to confirm the trend, and the Chikou span above the candles. So it's bullish. This means that the buyers are dominant over sellers on the daily time frame. Hold on, let me close the chat so you can see which time frame I'm looking at. So the daily time, this is a daily time frame, and I can see that H1 is bullish, and Senko span A is bullish, and Kijun Sen is also up. So this is uptrend. And now the market is range since the 18th of January. So close to 1 month, less than 1 month so far it's been ranging. So in this case, since buyers dominant over sellers, I think the market breaks that resistance. So that's Pound AUD. And in terms of the USD/JPY, it's also bullish too. I took one trade on USD/JPY today and ended with a break even, but still it's bullish, so I was not analyzing to take another trade. But USD/JPY is also bullish because, again, Tenkan-sen, here Senko span A is up, Kijun Sen is also up, and the Chikou span above the candles, and it broke the resistance. So this is how I identify the uptrend market or trending market. It's very simple. I don't check every candlestick patterns, or I don't check the time cycles or some other theories. I mainly focus on the Kumo and Kijun Sen angles to find whether it's trending or not. So USD/JPY is trending, and also USD Swiss franc, this one is trending based on the 4-hour time frame. So here is the 4-hour time frame, and also you can see that the Kumo is bullish now, Kumo is up, Kijun Sen is up also, and Chikou span above the candlesticks. Chikou span above candlestick is also important. Sometimes you will see Chikou span touches the candles, then that means it's range. So Chikou span needs to be above the candles. And Kumo Kijun Sen bullish, that's how I identify the trending market. So this one is also up. Hold on, let me turn off the light because it's getting bright and it's not good. It's not good on my eyes. Okay, so this is much better now. Okay, so again, this one is up, and you can also see some nice N waves like this. So that also confirms its uptrend. So in this case, you only look for buying entries. You never look for the selling opportunities, only buying opportunities. And also, I'm watching CAD/JPY. CAD/JPY today, or a couple of days ago, 3 days ago actually, it broke the resistance. It broke the resistance level of 110.39, And this was actually the neckline of this W bottom, which was here, and the resistances. So I think this breakout was really strong 3 days ago, 4 days ago actually, on the 8th of February, and now it's bullish. So and now also Kumo Kijun Sen are up in 4 hour. You can see that the Senko span A is up, Kijun Sen is up, and Chikou span above the candlesticks. So this one is also up. So this is how I select the trending market. So until I use Ichimoku, my definition of a trend was very complicated. I was looking at the candlesticks and using moving averages or some other indicators, and kind of combining some other indicators to find the trending markets. But now, after I start to use Ichimoku, things become much more simpler. That's why it's really nice. And also, I don't take too much time to see if it's trend or not. The way I see charts, the way I look for the trending markets is really simple. And that's also what I like about Ichimoku here. And also, if you check some other markets, you can see that they are not really trending. Euro USD daily chart is flat Kijun Sen Kumo, as you can see. So this is not trending to me in terms of the direction. And Euro JPY, you can see that the Kijun Sen is up, but Kumo is flat in this case. Again, this is a daily time frame. Kumo flat because Senko span A is up, Senko span B is down, and overall Kumo is flat. So to me, this is not uptrend. This is still range. So today is bullish, but tomorrow may be bearish. And in the month of February, may be range. That's Euro JPY. We can tell by the Kumo shape in this case. And also, let me compare some other markets. Euro CAD, I think this breaks the support and continuously bearish. In fact, the Kumo Senko span A is down, and Kijun Sen flat, and Chikou span below candles, so it's downtrend. After the breakout of support 1.455, it's still downtrend. But technically speaking, the green Kijun Sen is still flat. So that means the market may retrace to the previous support, then goes down. In this case, I wait for the Kijun Sen to be down, then look for the selling opportunity. So this is not technically downtrend to me. This is still consolidating near the support because again, Kijun Sen is flat. So this is how I identify also the range market. And I do it like this, all the markets. Euro pound is also down because it's Kijun Sen Kumo down also. Kijun Sen Senko span A is down, Kijun Sen is down, Chikou span below candles. So Euro pound is range, but sellers are dominant. So within today or within this week or this month, it may break the support. So Euro pound looks good. And if I look for some other trending market, so here is pound JPY. Right, pound JPY is up, both Kijun Sen and also Senko span A. As you can see, Senko span A is up, Kijun Sen is up, and Chikou span above candles. But overall, the market is still not breaking the resistance. So in this case, it will be a bit risky to trade than, let's say, USD-JPY. If you compare these two markets, on the left I put the pound JPY, and on the right I put the USD-JPY. And it's clear that the USD-JPY is more bullish than pound JPY from the candlesticks. So in this case, I will choose the USD-JPY to trade than pound JPY. So that's also what I see on these markets. Well, USD/JPY in the 4-hour looks good, but let's compare with the same time frame also. And if you compare with the same time frames also, like you can see that the daily time frame breakout, the resistance breakout on USD/JPY, but pound JPY is still below the resistances. So I would say USD/JPY looks better than the pound JPY. So that's the difference between these two markets. So yeah, that's how I identify the trending market to select. Okay, hello everyone, good to see you. I see lots of comments right now. Okay, looks like the markets are active. And I think you're trading some pairs right now. Okay, Angel, good to see you. Okay, good to see you. Right, AUD/CAD and AUD/USD seems to be trending. Right, AUD/CAD is now, let's see, daily is down, right, and a 4-hour is also down, right. So AUD/CAD is trending right now. This one is also nice, right, and this is breaking the support, so which is also nice too. Hold on, okay. And AUD/USD, right, AUD/USD is also trending, but this one is still range to me. It's still range because if you look at the 4-hour, then Kumo Kijun Sen flat, and the support level is a bit, bit down. So in this case, I would choose the AUD/CAD to trade. AUD/CAD looks better in this situation. And 1 hour is also down, M30 is down, so it's nice. AUD/CAD is downtrend right now. Yes. Hello Marbles, good to see you. And James, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining. Okay. Ko says, coming Saturday, Chinese New Year. Okay, Happy New Year to you. Good to see you. Yeah, there are some events here in Dubai too for Chinese New Year, so yeah. Good to see you. All right, Jose and Michael, good to see you. Guebo, thanks for joining. Long time. Thanks for joining. And Vic, also good to see you. Kevin, thanks for joining. And Gabriele, good to see you. All right, Gyan, Adeyeye, good to see you too. Yes. All right, Ravin, Afsal, good to see you. Kishore, good to see you too. Oh, good to see you too from snowy Sweden. Thanks for joining. Babak, good to see you too. Okay, Global says about money management. Can you tell us how much is a good max drawdown for a healthy account? Well, I would say 10% drawdown. If you get the 10% drawdown, then you have to check your strategy. Well, especially for me, risk management is really important, and I have a very tight, like a very small minimum, like risk per trade. So if I get 10% drawdown, then it must be something wrong with my strategy. Especially if you use trend follow strategy, then if you get 10% drawdown, then you have to stop trading, and you have to look back the losses, look for the reasons for the losses, and look for the areas to improve. Okay, Charles, good to see you. Alpar, thanks for joining as well. Oh yeah, let me check gold too. Yeah, gold may be trending. Since USD is up now, gold could be down, right? As negative correlation. So let me check. Commodity XAUUSD. Right, so gold is now, today is bearish, but overall is range. So in this case, there is no direction to me. Yeah, there is no direction. Daily Kumo breakout, right. Right, daily Kumo breakout. So this is a daily time frame, and daily Kumo breakout, but more than the Kumo breakout, in this case, Kumo angle is more important. You can see that the Kumo is now flat. So you better wait for the Kumo to be down, and Kijun Sen to be down, and Chikou span to be below the candles to sell. Otherwise, I think it keeps ranging still. And in terms of the price action, I don't see any directions in this case. So yeah, I think it's a bit difficult to trade yet. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour is also range to me. Looks like the market is supported by the trend line in the 4-hour. I think I can draw the yellow trend line like this way. It's got 1, 2, 3 touches. So this may be the 4th touch and the market may be bullish. So yeah, and now 4-hour candlestick shows bullish candlestick, so I think it retraces Kijun Sen. So gold still to me is not a good timing to sell. But if USD continues to be weak, strong, if USD currency continues to be strong, then gold would be bearish. And I think the best timing to trade gold is when the market breaks the support level of 2014.75. Because here is not like a head and shoulders, but then also there was like a long wick, which can be one of the shoulders, and here's a head, and the right shoulder is also here too, and this is neckline. So if the market breaks the neckline there, as well as a yellow trend line, then I think the market turns bearish. By then, I'm sure Kumo will be down, Kijun Sen will be also down, and Chikou span will be below the candles, as it also goes like this. So I think that will be the best scenario to sell. So you can put the alert below the support level of 2014.75, and once it triggers, you come back and see if you want to trade or not. So to me, gold is still range. And also I know some of you trade Bitcoin, cryptos, Bitcoin. So let me also check, go to cryptos, BTCUSD. Okay, Bitcoin on the daily chart, yesterday is bullish. Oh, so looks like now it broke the resistance level of 43,742 yesterday. And today is continuously bullish. So yeah, this one is now bullish. Okay, and 4-hour is also bullish. So right, Bitcoin seems to be up. And the target is the next resistance simply, which is 49,000. So as for Ichimoku, it's bullish to me. Okay, so yeah, let me see. And I think the indices are also, let me see, Nikkei 225 is now renewing higher because of the news that BOJ may start to increase the interest rate in March or April. So Nikkei 225 being strong these days. And Dow Jones is still bullish, right? Kumo is thick on the daily chart, and it's about to break the resistance level. Dow Jones is bullish, and Nasdaq is also bullish, right? As I put the arrow up, Nasdaq is also bullish, and S&P is also bullish to me. So yeah, looks like all the US indices are bullish still, as per Ichimoku. And Euro Stocks is also bullish. It's reading higher now. So the next target is the next round number, which is going to be 4,800. Yeah, the market may reach 4,800 in the month of February. So Euro Stocks 50 is also bullish now. And FTSE 100 is also bullish. Right, FTSE 100 is, sorry, this is not bullish, this is range. Still ranging. So I put the arrow up because if it breaks the resistance, it goes up to 79.41 I thought, but looks like it didn't happen. So I will take out the arrow and yeah, regard this as range. And CAC France on the daily is now still bullish. It's about to break the resistance now. So let's see if that happens this week. Ichimoku span above candles now. So more buyers than sellers in the market. And Germany 40 is now, let me see. Let's wait until the chart is load. Okay, Germany 40 index is also bullish and it's about to break the resistance. Ichimoku span above candles. So this one is also looks like it's bullish. And also Nifty chart. Nifty today is bearish. And oh yeah, this is now range to me because it broke the Tenkan-sen and Ichimoku span is now touching. Kijun-sen flat. So this is now range in terms of the daily time frame. So you better wait for the Ichimoku span to be above the candles and Kijun-sen to be bullish if you want to buy. And near the round number 22,200 area, there's double top. So yeah, it may be resisted and retrace. And Australia 200 is also uptrend, looks like. This one is nice because Ichimoku span above candles. So if you wait for Kijun-sen up, come up, then I think this is tradable and the target is 7,800, the next target. So basically indices are also bullish overall. And finally Hang-Seng index has been still bearish. Looks like yesterday the market was resisted by the yellow descending trend line and now it's going down. In terms of Ichimoku, it's range. The price is between Kumo Kijun-sen and Ichimoku span is below the candle still, but it's getting closer to the candles. And when Ichimoku span is getting closer to candles, it's also consolidating range. And Kumo is also flat. So now this is range. So the market may touch the trend line and then goes bearish, could be. Or touch the Kumo and goes bearish. In terms of the price action, it's bearish still. So yeah, this is downtrend. But in this case, since it's range as per Ichimoku, I say it's down, but we never know how long it takes for this market to go down. It may consolidate for next one week, 2 weeks, then finally down. So that means there is no momentum in this market. Long term is downtrend, but in the momentum wise, it's still consolidating. Yeah. So yeah, that's my analysis on this one. Okay, so let me check some comments. Thank you very much for joining, everyone. Good to see you. I see lots of comments now. Let me pick some because I may finish live earlier today because I haven't had the dinner yet, and because I was already focusing on writing the book and just finished it, so I just had the light lunch. So I think I will finish in about maybe 10 minutes or so. But let me check some more comments. Okay, Mario says, hi Kay, on USD JPY, daily Senko span A and Senko span B are pointing in opposite direction. Doesn't this show a range Kumo? Right, if Senko span A and B are pointing opposite directions, then that means range Kumo. Right, so let me come back to the USD/JPY. Here's a daily chart, and right, Senko span B is down, Senko span A is up, so overall it's a flat Kumo. And plus, Kijun Sen is going up, almost breaking the Kumo. So to be more precise, you also want to wait for the daily close and candlestick, Kijun Sen above the Kumo. Then from tomorrow, you look for the buying opportunities. But in this case, 4 hours bullish, so you can still follow the 4-hour time frame. But yeah, technically daily Kumo is range, and better wait for the Kijun Sen to be closing above the Kumo today. To be more precise, yeah. Okay. Ko says, as JPY pairs are bullish based on your strategy, you only take one best pair to enter. Exactly, that's right. When I see multiple pairs trending at the same time, then I only choose one pair to trade. I don't open multiple positions on multiple pairs at the same time. And he says, you only, right, why are you not enter 2 or 3 other JPY pairs since it's trending? What is the psychology behind? So I want to risk 2% of my account. And if I do, I want to risk 2% on one of these markets. Let's say, technically, I can trade, let's say, USD/JPY and CAD/JPY and risk 1% each. That's possible. But I want to choose the best pair because one of the pairs may be trending more than other pairs. Because also Kumo situation may be different, and like USD/JPY could be stronger than CAD/JPY. So if USD/JPY is stronger and more stable than CAD/JPY, then I have no reason to choose CAD/JPY to trade, or vice versa. So I do identify the best market by the Kumo, by the strength chart, by the price actions, or by the breakouts, the candlesticks, and that's why I choose the best pair. So trending pairs are trending pairs, and as long as they trends, you can follow. But it may be trending now, but in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, it may be trades, right, at the same time. So that's why I choose the best pair to trade. I don't put my position in multiple pairs at the same time. Let's say I take USD/JPY and CAD/JPY, for example, and if USD/JPY goes up, I make profits, but when CAD/JPY goes retrace, then I lose on CAD/JPY. So my profit on USD/JPY, well, my profit as total will be less. So I better to choose USD/JPY to trade than taking CAD/JPY and USD/JPY at the same time. So I hope that answered to your question. Yeah, okay, let me see. Philip, thanks for joining, good to see you. CAD Swiss franc also bullish. Okay, let me see. CAD Swiss franc is now, here's a daily, you broke the Kumo, and 4 hour is, right, it's about to be bullish now, right. It's now slightly breaking the resistance. So now it just became bullish, right, so I mark red on this one. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's a good point. So looks like now lots of CAD and JPY pairs trending at the same time. So it has been range market for the last couple months. So hopefully this momentum continues in the month of February and onwards. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you're welcome about pound JPY. And yes, I did analysis on gold already. Dynasty says, do you ever trade crypto or strictly Forex? In terms of volatility, Forex and crypto are kind of correlated. I only trade Forex because I don't follow the news on cryptos, and I have been trading Forex for the last 10 years full time. So I know patterns in Forex, and that's why. Okay, all right. So, let me just pick one last comment from Adeyeye. He says, "Okay, please, what does this mean? Kumo pointing down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat below the price and below the Kumo." Okay, again, Kumo pointing down, okay, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat below the price. Okay, so price is between Kijun Sen and Kumo, right? In that case. Okay, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat and below the Kumo. Okay, but the Chikou span is above the price. However, below the Kumo. Okay, Chikou span between Kumo and the price. And the price is just entering the Kumo. So that's range. That's a range market. Looks like when the price goes into Kumo and when Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat, it's range in terms of Ichimoku. So in the next 1 hour or within today, you never know which way the market's going. And in that case, lots of fake breakout happens in the lower time frames. So I don't recommend trade in that kind of a situation. It's better to look for the trending markets to follow. So, okay, and I think I will be ending the live soon. I'm sorry I have lots of other comments and questions, but I couldn't cover these because I am having lower energy now because of I couldn't eat the dinner yet. Okay, but thanks for joining, everyone. It was really nice to see you, everyone, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And looks like the market's trending right now, so keep watching, keep monitoring, and just practice your trades. Okay, so I hope to see you again soon. So till then, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Okay, everyone, mata ne. Thank you.